Do you know where we put apostrophe? You don't know? We put apostrophe for possession. Okay, we put apostrophe for contractions also. Contractions means joining two words. So today in this video we are going to solve. Apostrophe is nothing but it's a symbol. Okay, and rule is for singular we put, see here, the dash shoes are dirty. Here it's written boy. So boy is singular or plural? Boy is singular. So how we are going to put the apostrophe? Boy, then put the apostrophe and s. Boy's shoes are dirty. Okay. This is the dash food. So here cat is singular or plural? Cat is singular. So how we are going to add the apostrophe? Here, right? Now here in the third question, the dash classroom is on the first floor. So here girls, singular or plural? It's plural. Okay, how to put apostrophe when the noun is plural? So we are going to write like this: girls, write total, then put apostrophe. Okay, the girls classroom is on the first. Now here the dash chair is broken. So teacher is singular or plural? Teacher is singular. So we are going to put apostrophe, teacher, then apostrophe, then s. Okay, so teachers. The dash tails are wagging. So here it's written dogs, singular or plural? Yes, it's plural. So how to write that? Dogs. My dash car is new. Mother. So it's singular. My mother's car is new. The dash toys are in box. Children. It's plural. But here while putting apostrophe for plural, we never add s, right? Because s is already there. So after s, like here, dogs. How we use dogs, then apostrophe, right? But here in children there is no s. That's why here there is a change. Okay, children's toys are in box. Like that, if I said it's written men, so man, men. Men is plural, right? So how to say the possession? By putting apostrophe. Men shirt. Understood? Men's shirt. Likewise, women's club. Okay? So this is the rule. Okay? Now the dash nest is in the tree. Here birds written. Birds is plural and here birds is having an s at the end. So see, the bird's nest is in the tree. The dash babies bottles are on the table. So here babies. So we are going to write babies. Okay, bottles are on the table. Now the dash bag is missing. You are going to tell me in the comment section. I hope you understood where to put apostrophe. For singular, how you are going to write that, and for plural, how you are going to write that, and where there is plural noun and no s ending, how to write that also. Okay? Understood? Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and please follow and subscribe Kiddo Active, Homeschooling, FB, Insta and Thread.